Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'll be showing you how to use cool comments on YouTube videos. So the first thing I'm going to show you is bold. Let's say you wanted to type, "Thanks bro, really helpful," on a video that you really liked. You could put asterisks next to each part that you would like to bold. Now when you scroll down, it would be in bold. The next thing that I will show you is italics. To italicize something, a comment or a title, you use underline, then you type your comment, and then an underline after your comment. Then it will make it italicized. Now, if you would like to do strike through, all you would have to do is a dash or a hyphen, then your comment, then another dash or a hyphen. If you scroll down, it should be strikethrough. Now, you can combine these by using, let's say we wanted to do italics and bold. You would do it like this. And if you commented on that, it would show up below. Now, do not try to use this on titles for videos. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.